ஹாய் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், வெல்கம் டு சிஎன்ஆர் இங்கிலீஷ் அகாடமி. இன்றைக்கி நம்ம என்ன டாபிக் பார்க்க போகிறோம் அப்படின்னா, பிஜிடிஆர்பியில் இருந்து ஃபுல் யூனிட்ஸ் எம்சிக்யூ கவர் பண்ண போகிறோம். ஸோ எவ்ரி சண்டே உங்களுக்கு பார்த்திங்கன்னா ஒரு 50 எம்சிக்யூஸ் ஃப்ரம் ஆல் த யூனிட்ஸ் ஃபார் டிஆர்பி. யூனிட் 1லேருந்து யூனிட் 10 வரைக்கும் இருக்கக்கூடிய கொஸ்டின்ஸ் கவர் பண்ண போகிறோம். எவ்ரி வீக் சண்டே பார்த்திங்கன்னா அது உங்களுக்கு ஒரு சண்டே ஸ்பெஷலாக இருக்க போது 50-50 கொஸ்டின்ஸ் கொடுக்கலான்ட்டு இருக்கேன் நான். அதில் இன்னொரு ஆடட் அட்வான்டேஜ் என்ன அப்படின்னா, ப்ரீவியஸ் இயர்ஸ் கொஸ்டின்ஸில் இருந்தும் அதில் நான் கொஸ்டின்ஸை ஆட் பண்ணுறேன். இம்பார்ட்டண்ட் ப்ளஸ் ப்ரீவியஸ் இயர் கொஸ்டின் பேப்பர்ஸில் இருந்து கொஸ்டின்ஸ் ஆட் பண்ண போகிறோம். ஓகே, மூவ் ஆன் டு த ஃபஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின். Who could have written the book of Job? The options are John Milton, Henry Vaughan, William Shakespeare, none of these. And the answer is option D, none of these. Move on to the next question. The theatres were reopened in 1660. When were they closed last? The options are 1616, 1642, 1650, 1652. And the right answer is option B, 1642. Next question. The circulating libraries were popular during. The options are the 18th century, the 17th century, the 19th century, none of these. The correct option is option A, the 18th century. Move on to the next question. The closed heroic couplet used by Pope is unique because the options are the two lines act as stanza, it makes use of an end-stopped first line, every line contains a caesura, and all the above. And the correct option is option D, all the above. Move on to the next question. Which of the following Chaucer's tale is in prose? The options are the Pardoner's Tale, the Cook's Tale, the Prior's Tale, the Parson's Tale. And the answer is option D, the Parson's Tale. Move on to the next question. The first folio edition of Shakespeare's plays was printed in. The options are 1616, 1660, 1623, none of these. And the correct option is option C, 1623. Move on to the next question. Who is the movement poet? The options are Philip Larkin, Ted Hughes, T.S. Eliot, W.H. Auden. And the correct answer is Philip Larkin. Move on to the next question. Dash is not a character in Jane Austen's Emma. The options are Catherine Morland, George Knightley, Harriet Smith, Frank Churchill. And the correct option is Catherine Morland. Move on to the next question. Who said to, thought to done was an experience. It modified his sensibility. The options are F.R. Lewis, T.S. Eliot, Samuel Johnson, I.A. Richards. And the correct option is T.S. Eliot. Move on to the next question. The Great Tradition was written by. The options are G. Wilson Knight, T.S. Eliot, F.R. Lewis, Alan Tate. And the correct answer is F.R. Lewis. Move on to the next question. Rape of the Lock by Pope contains dash cantos. The options are 2, 3, 4, 5. And the correct option is option D, 5. Move on to the next question. Romeo and Juliet is based on the story by which Italian author? The options are Bandello, Virgil, John Stowe, H.B. Stowe. So the correct answer is option A, Bandello. Move on to the next question. Literature always anticipates life. It does not copy it, but molds it to its purpose, was said by. The options are Oscar Wilde, Ezra Pound, Coleridge, and Aristotle. And the correct option is option A, Oscar Wilde. Move on to the next question. Who said, I woke one morning and found myself famous? The options are Chaucer, Matthew Arnold, Shakespeare, Byron. And the correct option is Byron. Move on to the next question. Who wrote under pseudonym of YY? The options are Chaucer, W.B. Yeats, Robert Lind, Francis Bacon. The correct answer is option C, Robert Lind. Move on to the next question. Who was the first recipient of Sahitya Academy Award for English? The options are Raja Rao, R.K. Narayan, Babani Bhattacharya, Mulk Raj Anand. And then the correct option is option B, R.K. Narayan. Move on to the next question. Who is not regarded as the Georgian poet? The options are Hopkins, W.G. Davis, Walter de la Mare, John Masefield. And the correct option is option A, Hopkins. Move on to the next question. New Testament has dash books, and the options are 27, 29, 31, 33. The correct option is option A, 27. Move on to the next question. The manuscripts of Shakespeare's play are available, and the options are certainly yes, certainly no, partially available, none of these. And the correct answer is certainly no. Move on to the next question. Shakespeare's sonnets are in the following form. The options are 3 quatrains and a couplet, an octave and sestet, both A and B, none of these. And the correct answer is option A, 3 quatrains and a couplet. Move on to the next question. Who is the heroine in Shakespeare's Tempest? The options are Viola, Portia, Miranda, Beatrice. The correct option is option C, Miranda. Move on to the next question. France standing on the top of nature, seeming born again. These lines are from. The options are The Prelude, Daffodils, Tintin Abbey, none of these. The answer is option A, The Prelude. Move on to the next question. What does Arnold's Scholar Gypsy deals with? The options are about scholarship, about the gypsies, about the decay of youth and hope, none of these. And the correct option is about the decay of youth and hope. Move on to the next question. The preface of Shaw to his own plays are very popular, and the answers and the options are yes, no, perhaps, none of these. And the correct answer is option A, Yes. Move on to the next question. Shakespeare's sonnets were printed by, the options are Thomas Thorpe, Ben Jonson, Francis Beaumont, John Fletcher. And the correct option is option A, Thomas Thorpe. Move on to the next question. The year 1776 was associated with, the options are invention of steam engine, the Wars of Roses, American independence, none of these. The correct option is option C, American independence. Move on to the next question. Who is an 18th century author, essayist and a painter? One of the paintings is still in National Portrait Gallery. The options are Joseph Addison, Bacon, Hazlitt, W.M. Thackeray. And the correct option is option C, Hazlitt. Move on to the next question. Who among the following introduced sonnets? The options are Thomas Wyatt, Philip Sidney, Shakespeare, Spenser. The correct option is option A, Thomas Wyatt. Move on to the next question. The term negative capability is associated with, options are Wordsworth, John Keats, T.S. Eliot, Shelley. And the correct option is John Keats. Move on to the next question. Who wrote Daffodils? And the options are Keats, Shelley, Byron, Wordsworth. The correct option is option D, Wordsworth. Next question. When was Johnson's dictionary published? The options are 1754, 1755, 1756, 1757. And the correct option is option B, 1755. Move on to the next question. How many plays did William Shakespeare write? And the options are 36, 37, 38, 39. The correct option is option B, 37. Move on to the next question. How many sonnets did William Shakespeare write? The options are 110, 154, 175, 187. The right option is option B, 154. Move on to the next question. Sylvia Plath was born in, the options are London, German, Boston, Wellington. And the correct option is option C, Boston. Move on to the next question. The first volume of the lyrical ballads was published with a brief advertisement, but without, the options are conclusion, theme, preface, criticism. The correct option is option C, preface. Move on to the next question. Structuralism first seen in the works of, the options are Claude Lévi-Strauss and Roland Barthes, I.A. Richards and Claude Lévi-Strauss, F.R. Lewis and T.S. Eliot, T.S. Eliot and Roland Barthes. The correct option is option A, Claude Lévi-Strauss and Roland Barthes. Move on to the next question. Who is the hero of Raja Rav's Kantapura? The options are Lakshman, Reddy, Murthy, Naidu. The correct option is option C, Murthy. Move on to the next question. Which of the following is not a work of Rabindranath Tagore? The options are Mashi, My Reminiscence, The Sacrifice, The Hindu. And the correct option is option D, The Hindu. Move on to the next question. Identify the poem composed by A.K. Ramanujan. And the options are Days in New York, Servants, Looking for a Cousin on a Swing, The Marriage Party. The correct option is option C, Looking for a Cousin on a Swing. Move on to the next question. Which was Shakespeare's first play? The options are King Lear, Henry VI, The Tempest, Romeo and Juliet. And the correct option is Henry VI. Move on to the next question. Full name of Hedy Hope is Alice Dover Hope, Alec Derwent Hope, Angelo Derwent Hope, Amelie Derver Hope. And the correct option is option B, Alec Derwent Hope. Move on to the next question. Who was the first Indian writer in English? The options are Sheikh Deen Mohammed, Raja Rao, Rabindranath Tagore, Neeraj C. Chowdhury. And the right option is Sheikh Deen Mohammed. Move on to the next question. Who was the first Indian author to win a literacy award in the United States? The options are Dan Gopal Mukherjee, Neeraj C. Chowdhury, Raja Rao, Rabindranath Tagore. And the right option is Dan Gopal Mukherjee. Move on to the next question. Willy Loman appears in the play Dash. And the options are Death of a Salesman, All My Sons, The Prize, The Crucible. So the correct option is option A, Death of a Salesman. Move on to the next question. Wife of Bath is a character in. The options are Hero and Leander, Spanish Tragedy, Shepherd's Calendar, Canterbury Tales. And the correct option is Canterbury Tales. Move on to the next question. Dryden is the supreme master of. The options are criticism, poetry, drama, satire. The correct option is option A, criticism. Move on to the next question. Which period in English literature is called the Augustine's Age? The options are early 15th century, early 17th century, early 16th century, early 18th century. And the correct option is early 18th century. Move on to the next question. Who is the villain in Hamlet? The options are Horatio, Iago, Claudius, Macduff. And the correct option is option C, Claudius. Move on to the next question. Sidney's Arcadia is similar to. The options are Spenser's Epithalamion, Spenser's Prothalamion, More's Utopia, Shakespeare's Cymbeline. And the correct option is More's Utopia. Move on to the next and the last question too. To be or not to be in Hamlet refers to. The options are to live or not to live, to love or not to love, to kill or not to kill, to die or not die. And the correct option is option A, to live or not to live. Okay friends, up to this I conclude this session and hope you enjoyed this much of questions which covering all the units in PGTRB and give suggestions if any changes you need. ஓகே, ஏதாவது சேஞ்சஸ் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னு சொன்னால் நீங்கள் வந்து சஜஷன்ஸ் கொடுங்க கமெண்ட்டில். Until then, I meet you in our wonderful video in our next session. Thank you friends. Thanks for listening.